Hi, everyone, and welcome. This is your Keto Queen here. Please consider liking and subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I'm uploading a video. Today, I'm making some wonderful cabbage slices. Now, usually I make cabbage with turkey, but I have made this before and it is delicious. It's really good, so you do have to try it. So let's get started by cutting off the stem. I'm going to pull off a few of the leaves. And then I'm going to wash it and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've washed the cabbage and so now I am ready to slice it up and put it on the foil pan. I love my pretty rainbow knife. Okay, so now that we have everything sliced, we're adding some salt and some pepper and drizzling with a little bit of olive oil. We put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and now I'm going to flip them over. And so as you can see, I'm giving it to you in the way it happened. As you can see, when I flipped them over, I had forgot to oil the bottom, to oil them and then turn them over. Okay, so the next thing I did was I put shredded cheese and tomato sauce, like ragu spaghetti sauce, any flavor you want. Put that on, put it back in the oven for like 20 more minutes, and voila! Look at that. It is absolutely delish, okay? Give it a try. I hope you enjoy this. Remember, every morning is a new beginning.